You may have heard the term aura mentioned before, but weren't really sure what that means. In this short video, I'll explain what an aura actually is and why you should care about it. Everything, whether we can see it or not, is made up of energy. The air we breathe, sound waves, our bodies, thoughts, and emotions are all energy. And a basic principle of energy is that it has to be in motion. Energy has to flow. When it becomes stuck or trapped in our bodies, it can cause disease because it's not the state it's supposed to be in. Because the flow of energy in and out of our bodies is so important for our survival, each person has a personal energy field around them that helps with the flow of energy in and out of their body. It's also a filter for attempting to keep toxins out of our bodies, and that energy field is known as our aura. Our aura also serves as a filter, attempting to keep other people's emotions out, because emotions are energy, they can travel, especially when they're magnified by many people feeling that emotion. Your aura may capture these unwanted emotions and keep them out of your body. The aura is about the size of your arm's length all around your body. It's like your own protective energy bubble. The primary reason it's good to know about your aura is because it's important to your health. Again, because the energy has to continue to flow. If toxins or emotions have become trapped in your aura, they'll prevent it from working optimally and continuing to do its work, helping to move the energy. Another reason your aura is important is that it's a conduit for communication with your higher consciousness. This communication comes through your sixth sense, which everyone can develop, and I have a free training below if you'd like to learn more. But if there are toxins or emotions trapped in your aura, it'll block that communication flow with your higher consciousness. Keeping your aura clear and healthy is something we work on inside the Rising Tide Sisterhood, which you can learn more about in the show notes. And if you'd like to learn more about your aura, go ahead and click on the next video.